Welcome to a quick introduction to 401k Millionaire Made Simple series, Day 0 edition. This series is created by a working class for the working class. The only prerequisite I have for you is the ambition and the motivation to achieve financial freedom. No prior knowledge of finance and investing is needed. For the next several episodes, I will show you how simple it is to become a 401k millionaire by breaking down financial terminologies into everyday words so you are informed and inspired to enroll in your 401k employer-sponsored plan, select the right 401k options, traditional 401k versus Roth 401k, and select the right funds for you so that every hard-earned dollars are effectively accumulating generational wealth for you and your family. Each episode will answer one specific question to keep the complex and convoluted financial jargon in a digestible chunk. I like to use analogy as part of my learning and teaching, relating new information to an existing information. With my love for sports and technologies and experience in automotive industry, I will be using them regularly to explain new concepts and terminologies. Why this series? There is no shortages of financial gurus and experts both on social media and traditional media telling you what to do and what not to do. But there are limited free resources on how and why. From Dave Ramsey to Suze Orman to financial influencers, they offer sound advice. Start young, let compound interest and time do the work for you, invest 15% in your retirement, just pick a target date fund, select fund with low fees, select index fund like VTSAX, Total Stock Market, or S&P 500 Index. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, etc. This high-level, surface-level advice is great, but by themselves, they don't inspire Americans to look beyond their immediate needs, wants, and priorities so they can take care of things that are 30 to 40 years out. I aim to fill the missing pieces so the hardworking Americans, from low to middle class, who are facing many challenges, high cost of living, from housing to transportation to healthcare, rising costs of higher education, consumerism, keeping up with the Joneses both in the neighborhood and on social media, and the wage increases that has not keeping up with inflation, etc., can turn their attention to not only fulfill today's needs and wants, but also start to plant the seeds for the garden of wealth to harvest during the golden years. I believe Americans are struggling to save for retirement not because of lack of information or care. It is not generation specific. It is not ethnic specific. It is lack of understanding the convoluted, complex world of financial products and services, which leads to fear, resentment, and inaction. On one hand, you have the financial experts advising the American to put away 15% toward retirement, while the media is putting on this fear monger on the natural market swing with doom and gloom news. It doesn't inspire confidence for hardworking Americans who put in 40 to 60 hours per week to trust their hard-earned money in the investment vehicle that has been known for major market collapses, like the internet bubble in the 90s, the financial crisis in 2008, the ENRON scandals, etc. Unfortunately, when I say the word investing, uninformed people associate it with gambling, evil, devil, crypto, even meme stocks. But if they filter out all the noise, the fear mongers, the flashy influencers, and listen to sound advice by Warren Buffett, the late John C. Bogle, and J.L. Collins, investing in the U.S. economy, investing in U.S. companies is one of the many ways to achieve financial freedom. I selfishly make this series hoping that one day time travel is a reality, like the AI, artificial intelligence buzz that we have today, so that I can pass a note to my young and ignorant early 20s to start investing early and often, so that I didn't have to start at $0 save for retirement at the age of 32. If you're in your 20s, you can learn from my mistakes. If you're in your 30s and beyond, there's still time for you to turn the corners. Subscribe and share to people you love and care about for future episodes to come.